So hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel CodeML, and in this video I will be talking about the basics of simple linear regression. Okay, so as I promised that in this week I will be providing the explanation and building the model of the income prediction. This is our second machine learning project. I have already covered one video, okay, where I am doing the exploratory data analysis and we observed few of the observations with the data set. Okay, so if you have not watched, I will give the link in the description and you can watch it. So this video will talk about the basics of simple linear regression. Okay, so if you are not aware and you are not fully clear with the concepts of linear regression, stay with me for the next 10 minutes and I promise that you will be clear with the linear regression and the simple linear regression machine learning algorithm. Okay, so I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here I will be talking about, you can see that what I have written over here is the simple linear regression concepts. Okay, so just 1 minute. Yes. Okay, so linear. So first of all, like what is the meaning of linear? Linear means a straight line. Okay, so linear, just to like break and expand these terms, linear means a straight line. Regression, so regression in the terms of statistical concepts, it means the mean value, like the definition, this is the definition which I have googled out and I'm sharing with you. Okay, so it is the measure of a relation between the mean value of one variable, that is a target variable, okay, and you can say the output variable or the variable which needs to be predicted. Okay, and it will be, how it will be predicted? It will be predicted based on the independent variables, or in our terms, in the data set terms, the independent columns. Okay, so here this does it means. So what is the simple linear regression machine learning algorithm used for? To predict the continuous variables, that is the data which is the continuous data. Okay, so even it like it is also like we can also predict the discrete data, but most commonly the continuous data we are going to predict from the simple linear regression algorithms. Okay, yeah, like in the general terms you can say linear regression algorithms. Okay, so here I would like to share that this is the general equation for linear regression. Okay, this is the general equation for simple linear regression. So simple linear regression is y is equal to mx plus c. So those who have learned the algebra part and the coordinate part in their early pre-university and at the high school levels, you must be aware this is the equation of a straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so y is equal to mx plus c. You can see that, okay, here we have I have already shown you what all each symbol means. Y stands for the predictor variable. That means the output variable which needs to be predicted. In our case, the case study which we are like going to implement here, it will be the income predicted. Okay, so the income column, the predicted column, that is the output column, would be our income column. Okay, so that is here y, which stands for. That's why I've written over here in example income predicted. Okay, now what are m and c? First of all, so m defines the slope. Okay, now what is the slope? Slope, we also say the inclination with the x-axis. Okay, so if I have shown you the diagram over here, so this is the diagram of a linear regression, the simple linear regression. Okay, so here you can see this is the diagram, and this is basically what type of plot? This is the scatter plot. Okay, with all these points, blue color points plotted all over. Okay, and this is our model's best fit line. Okay, so this is like this is the best fit line which is we have drawn in red color. Okay, so this is the straight line. So here with this example I can say that, okay, this line is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c in general. Okay, so c, what is c? The line, this line, wherever it cuts at the y axis. So this is our y axis. Here what values will be there? Salary. And here what will the values will be there? Years of experience. Why? Because the years of experience is an independent variable, and based on this, what we are going to predict? We are going to predict the salary. So the salary is going to be plotted over here on the y axis. So this value, wherever it cuts, suppose it cuts over here in the y-axis at suppose 31,000. So that will be our value of C. So what does the model do? The model actually does is it will calculate the value based on our training data set. It will calculate the values of what coefficients? Firstly, the slope, and the other is the y-intercept or the constant term. Okay. So here now what is X? X, if I give our example, if I consider our case study, X is the years of experience. Okay. Those all independent variables are examples of like it will be coming under X. Okay. So if suppose there, if you say, if you have a query like suppose there are multiple columns, then what needs to be done? Then here the equation would be changed as y is equal to m1x1 plus m2x2 plus m3x3 plus C. Okay. So then the number of, if suppose there are n number of columns, okay, suppose 5 columns are there, so it will extend from m1 till m5 and the x1 x2 till x5. So that way the simple linear regression, but that in that terms it will not be a simple linear regression, it will be multiple linear regression. Okay. Why? Because multiple variables are involved. Okay. So this is the thing, this I have just shown you that. Okay. And even I have also explained this in my EDA video, that how our data set was looking like. It was just looking like this same. Okay. So whenever we are training our data, we can see, and what our model will do, it will just fit in the data, and so that the most correct predictions it can predict. Okay. So I will also show you like the best fit line in our plot when we'll be building our machine learning linear regression model. And at the last of this video, I will try to show you that, okay, what all these are there. Okay. So the conclusion which we can take it from this slide is that the values which our model calculates when we fit the training data, so the values which the model calculates before testing our data are the slope, that is m, and the y-intercept. And then what it does is finally it makes prediction for our output variable. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this simple linear regression concept at least. And in my next video, which I will be uploading in some time, there I will be showing you the actual code for implementing the linear regression model. And by that video, we'll be able to complete our second machine learning project as well. Okay. So till then, enjoy machine learning, and please hit like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.